Hi, I'm Nurse Mary, Director of the RF Connection. You know who you are, watching your wife or girlfriend use Rodanafil skincare and wondering if you should use it too. It's okay. According to a prestigious beauty magazine, 74% of men dip into their mate's skincare. So you ask us, what products can a guy use? If you have any of the 4 common skin issues, then Rodanafil skincare is for you. Let's review what regimens are available, and I'll share some real results. If your skin is sensitive, irritated, or looks red, then we recommend the Soothe regimen. Check out Bill's Calm Skin. If you struggle with acne or have post-acne marks, try our Unblemished regimen. Corey is really pleased with his clear skin. Did your days in the sun catch up with you? Use Reverse regimen for brown spots, dullness, and sun damage. Daniel now has an even skin tone. And if you want to hold back father time, use Redefine to reduce the appearance of lines, pores, and help with firmness. To me, Herman looks a decade younger. Remember that your skin issues may not be the same as your mate's, and you deserve your own regimen. I'm Nurse Mary, Director of the RF Connection, wishing you continued success on your journey to great skin.